We chose Kitome because we thought that it stood out from the rest. When John researched, we looked at various ways of putting a house together, and we found that Kitome had some really great designs, that we were able to alter the design. It was cost effective for us.
Very effective.
Yeah. We found the design process with Kitome really good.
Yeah.
We had a consultant, his name was Matt, and we went with our ideas, looking at the north-facing aspect that we had, and we were able to have all the living area, the outdoor area, face that and make the most even of energy efficiency for summer and winter in capturing the light as well as the heat in our home.
Our power bills are right down. It's just, we have, we've fully insulated the house, including underneath. Every nook and cranny was rock wool in there, the whole thing. It just worked out well.
He helped us along that, we wanted a beach sort of a house.
Beachy.
And, we needed as much room as we could in the house. And, he helped us, suggested things like the roof line, putting windows in there. I wanted to have more, wider bedrooms, and so we cut off the veranda that was supposed to run right down the side of the house, and
which is a fantastic idea.
Yeah. And it did. And then around the lounge room, we wanted it to extend right out so that only a quarter of the house was outdoor.
The plans that the architect sent us, which put the kit together, was just amazing. It was just all colour coded. The frames and trusses are all colour coded, and it was just like putting an easy jigsaw puzzle together, but it was so easy. And with the two chippies, and the builder I was working with, and the architect that did the framework, it was up in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
And it was.
And there was nothing was missing. So we worked with a consultant in the office. Her name was Sandy, and the build comes in stages, and John would, say, Jeanette, we're going to need the next stage in a couple of weeks. And I would ring Sandy and say, we're up to stage 2 or whatever. And she would always inform us when it was coming, when we could expect it, really what was in it. I love my butler's pantry. I have my fridge in there. It allows everything to be away. And so the rest of the kitchen, dining room, lounge is left really with clean lines. I like the open space. I'm really big on that. I love having the light in my house. I love living in a warm house, which I have, and looking out to the treetops, out further over the town, over to the ocean. That to me is like all the windows bring everything into my home, and I love my home.
It's got a great vibe.
I love my home.
Love it.